ये खास फाल्कन जो है ये काजाकिस्तान की नस्ल है. What is this then? Can you explain what is this?
This Mangala.
Mangala. What is this? To hold it.
Yes.
So this is how you wear here on the hand to hold it. माशाल्लाह. ये है जी खास ट्रेडिशन, सऊदी ट्रेडिशन फॉर विच सऊदीया इज नोन फॉर falcons, beautiful falcons. Look at this beauty. Look at his beauty. अच्छा, ये जो फाइटर प्लेन है ना, a fighter plane, modern fighter plane is all designed after this animal. This is very important to note. His head, aerodynamic shape of his head and body and wings is exactly what is being followed when aerodynamically cars are made and airplanes, fighter planes are made.